As more travelers eagerly pack their bags for Europe, there's one vital element of planning that can't be overlooked: travel insurance. Regardless of whether you're planning to sip wine in France, soak up art in Italy, or hike the highlands in Scotland, your European vacation should always include a comprehensive travel insurance plan. In this video, we'll delve into the specifics of travel insurance for Europe, what to consider in a plan, typical costs, important information for US travelers, and the specific requirements related to Schengen visas. Also, remember to like and subscribe for more travel insurance goodness from G1G, and drop any questions you might have into the comments below. What to look for in a travel insurance plan. When browsing travel insurance options, consider these key elements. Medical coverage. As healthcare standards and costs can significantly vary across Europe, ensure your plan provides adequate coverage for medical expenses. Look for emergency medical coverage, which takes care of sudden illnesses and injuries during your trip. Trip cancellation interruption. This covers any prepaid, non-refundable expenses if your trip is canceled or cut short due to unforeseen circumstances such as illness, natural disasters, or flight cancellations. Baggage loss and delay. This compensates for lost, stolen, or damaged luggage. It also provides reimbursement for necessary purchases if your luggage is delayed. Travel delay. If your journey is delayed due to reasons outside your control, like inclement weather, this feature reimburses for additional accommodations and meal costs and 24/7 assistance. Look for companies that offer 24/7 support, providing assistance anywhere, anytime. Now, at G1G, our advanced artificial intelligence system, ITERA, can take your trip details and show you what type of coverage is best suited for your trip to Europe. We'll provide you with an overview of what is and isn't covered and keep it simple and fast. So visit G1G.com to give us a few details and we'll take care of it from there. Travel insurance cost factors. Travel insurance costs are typically a percentage of the total trip cost and vary based on multiple factors such as trip cost. The higher the cost of your trip, the more you can expect to pay for your insurance. Length of stay. The longer your stay, the higher the premium as the risk exposure is more significant. Age of travelers. Older travelers often pay higher premiums due to an increased risk of health issues. Planned activities. If your travel plans include higher risk activities like skiing, you might need specialized coverages, which could increase the cost. For a ballpark figure, travel insurance usually costs between 4% to 10% of the trip's total cost. But remember, this can vary based on the factors we just mentioned. The price of travel insurance plans are regulated by law, so the same plan will cost the same regardless of where you buy it. However, not all providers are created equal. G1G offers free claims advocacy and 24/7 support with every purchase. Travel insurance tips for US travelers going to Europe. As a US traveler, there are specific things you need to be aware of. Understanding your existing coverage. Review your existing health insurance policy. It may not cover you overseas, or coverage might be limited. Also, your auto insurance may not extend to rental cars in Europe. Consider coverage for expensive gear. If you plan to travel with pricey equipment like DSLRs or laptops, check if your plan's baggage coverage limit is sufficient. Review the coverage limit and deductibles. Higher coverage limits generally mean higher premiums, but more protection. Also, pay attention to your plan's deductible, the amount that you pay before the insurance kicks in. The Schengen Visa and travel insurance. For travel requiring a Schengen Visa to travel to Europe, possessing travel insurance is compulsory. The insurance must cover medical expenses, minimum coverage of 30,000 euros for medical expenses, including emergency hospital treatment and repatriation for medical reasons. be valid across the Schengen area. Your travel insurance must be valid across all 26 Schengen countries, irrespective of your primary destination. Repatriation. It should cover repatriation in case of severe illness, accident, or death. If you have more questions about the Schengen Visa and travel insurance, check out our other resources linked in the description below. Closing thoughts. In conclusion, acquiring the right travel insurance is as crucial as choosing your travel destination. While it might seem like an additional cost, it provides financial protection against unforeseen circumstances, ensuring peace of mind during your European adventure. Remember, the best travel insurance plan for you depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Take the time to understand the fine print, compare options, and select a plan that best matches your travel agenda. Safe travels. Disclaimer: we are a travel tech company that makes a profit when you buy travel insurance plans from us. So I want to make that part clear. However, we verify and vet all of the companies and plans that we offer. Remember, this video is meant to serve as general educational information. Nothing here is medical advice. Always check plan documents for specific benefit definitions, coverage amounts, exclusions, and limitations. And as always, enjoy the journey.